Let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. So here is blue color, yellow color, parrot color, pink color, red color, purple color, green color, and the last one is brown color. Now let's color the strawberry. How many strawberries can you see here? So here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 strawberries.